A heat map in subcellular localization analysis visually represents the predicted distribution of proteins across different cellular compartments, such as the nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, or endoplasmic reticulum. Each row typically corresponds to a protein, while each column represents a specific organelle or cellular compartment. The color intensity in each cell reflects the probability or confidence score of the protein localizing to that compartment, with darker or more saturated colors indicating higher likelihood. To read a heat map, start by examining the color scale legend, which correlates color intensity with probability values. Focus on individual proteins by scanning across their corresponding row to identify compartments with the highest intensity, which suggests their primary localization. Some proteins may show significant signals in multiple compartments, indicating potential multi-compartment localization or uncertainty in prediction. Additionally, clusters of proteins with similar localization patterns can often be observed, providing insights into functional groupings or organelle-specific pathways. Hierarchical clustering or dendrograms in heat maps further help identify related protein families. By interpreting these visual patterns carefully, researchers can prioritize proteins for experimental validation and better understand their functional roles in cellular processes.